Welcome back, my friends, to another video. My name is Mikołaj Maria Dawidowski, and I'll be continuing the video of trust and faith in yourself. I cut it a little bit short the last time, but I'm trying to make the videos only a certain length. So I'm going to talk about faith and trust from a little bit different perspective. My friend, have faith and trust in yourself, for you are God. And so you are capable of absolutely everything. As you climb through the chakras, eventually you are going to realize and recognize the unity of being, the interconnectedness, nature of whole reality. But as you move beyond that, you're also going to recognize that you, my friend, are God. Not you, the God, but then, as you know from the entirety, you are God. And therefore all the abilities and all the possibilities, let's just call it, all the skills and everything that God has, you too are capable of exploring and having and practicing. Just exploring in many various forms, shapes, and sizes. And so, my friend, have faith in yourself. Believe in yourself, for you are great. There is absolute greatness within you. For any attribute that you can recognize within God, you will have it within yourself. It is important to see that you, my friend, are greatness contained in a drop. You are God Himself contained in a drop. Imagine a metaphor of an ocean, you know? You are an entire ocean contained in one single drop. And so you have all the qualities of the ocean in that one drop. You yourself can cause an entire tsunami as this drop, because you are part of the ocean, and therefore you can flow with the ocean, let's just call it. I wouldn't say exactly control, but you gain control by surrendering control. It's a paradox that we might get to at some point. But have faith, my friend. You're on the right path. Have trust that you're gonna get to where you wish to go. Well, you don't know where you wanna go. Are you suffering? Perhaps you just wish to have a happy life. Maybe you wish to find God. Maybe you wish to establish yourself in life. Maybe you wish to have a joyful life. Maybe you wish to be abundant. Maybe whatever it may be. Any goal that you have, you will get there, my friend. I believe in you. Fully, sincerely, I believe in you, my friend. Why can I say this with confidence? Because I believe God. And I believe myself. In myself. And therefore, since I believe in myself and that I can achieve things, that means I can believe in you, because I have recognized that quality within myself. And therefore, I can recognize that quality within you. And so, my friend, you are perfectly capable of achieving success. You're perfectly capable of achieving that goal. Is the journey going to be short? Possibly. Is it going to be long? Possibly. Is it going to be hard? Possibly. Is it going to be easy? Possibly. It is your choice, my friend. From the videos of From Victim to Creator and how to make decisions, you should already have a good idea that it is up to you whether that this path is joyful or painful. It is your free will to choose if you wish to suffer or if you wish to be joyful. You making decisions from the space of emotions dictate which emotions are going to be prevalent, dominant, present in your life, in fact. Have faith, have trust. You're going to get there. You will reach success. Enjoy the ride. Don't focus so much on the destination. Destination is not the point of the journey. The journey itself is the point, my friend. I bless you, my friend, and I wish you an absolutely wonderful day. Have a blast. Enjoy yourself. Do something nice to yourself. Give yourself a gift or something. A positive, good, righteous gift. Until next time. Bye.